So in today's video, I'll be unboxing my Mtn HyNetflex Wi-Fi, and I'll also do an honest review because I've used this Wi-Fi for up to 1 year. So let's unbox, guys. So this is how the Wi-Fi looks like. So inside this box, we have this leaflet. This will help us to know how to construct this Wi-Fi, okay? So if you have this Wi-Fi, read this leaflet very well. It will help you to construct it without much stress. You also have the user's manual. Then we have our power adapter. You can also call this a power bank. The work of this power bank is to supply the device power when there is no power supply, okay? Then we have a pair of antenna. It also came with its own charger. This charger is still working, okay? There's no problem with the charger. Very effective. We have this cable. This cable is to, if you want to connect your device to system, you can still use this cable to connect it. Then this is the Wi-Fi, still in parts, as you can see. It's still packaging it well. This is the top, this is the under. You can see it very well. Then this is the power signal. This is the Wi-Fi. This one is phone signal, and then signal. This is the 3G/4G network, and then the signal. It has up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5 bars. Do you still have anything? Okay, I have my receipt. Yeah, I bought this Wi-Fi on the 30th of December 2021, and I bought it at 25,000 naira, as you can see here on the price. So 25,000 naira is about $67 US. But as of now that I'm making this video, is the current price is 40,000 naira. That is $90 US. So things are really increasing. So let's connect this Wi-Fi so that if you are just getting it, you know how to connect it. The first step to take is to connect your antenna. This is the antenna. To do that, you can see that this has 2 openings. So to open it is not really difficult. Just insert, if you have nails or anything, and pull it. It will just open. There is no big deal on how to. There is depression under here. If you just place your finger on any side, you can easily pull it. As you can see, I've opened the 2 ports. Then you fix one antenna at one side. Just fix it and rotate it. If you get it, you just keep going. But sometimes it can be a little bit difficult. Then you fix this other one too. Once you fix it, you rotate. Even if you are seeing what I'm doing, just keep rotating. Yeah. So you can see I've fixed these 2 antennas. You can keep it upright. You can also change the angle. This one is not yet firm. You keep rotating it until it is firm. Yeah, I believe it's firmer now. You can keep it to bring network, but I prefer keeping it upright. It's okay like this. Then now that we are done connecting the antenna, let's connect the adapter. So this is the adapter. Okay, as you can see, is indicating blue light. Once it is charged, once it is connected, this blue light will always be on. I still have my nylon intact. I've not even removed it. Yeah, and I like it. This is white. I'm doing my best to preserve the color. Okay, so don't bother yourself about this light is always on. It doesn't discharge. That it is on does not mean that it is discharging. No. So now that this is the power adapter, you connect it. You connect one end to the back of the router, that is the Wi-Fi. So it has two openings. You fix the first one here. As you can see, it's not entering, so you have to insert this other end. This is the power button for off and on. Then beside it is where you fix this adapter. So you can use this Wi-Fi now with this adapter. Okay, you can use it. So when you fix it, just leave it for some seconds. You don't need to press anywhere. Just allow it to stay for like 10 to 20 seconds. Once it is connected, this power here will be indicating blue light. So now that we have connected this adapter to the Wi-Fi, let's connect this adapter to the charger. So I believe you can see what I'm doing here. I want to connect the adapter to the charger. This other end, just get your charger. You bring this point and then insert it to the other end of the adapter. As you can see, I've connected this to the charger. Now I'll now plug this one in my thing here, my extension. So it is indicating red and blue light. That means it is charging. So now we are done connecting this Wi-Fi to the adapter, then the adapter to the power source. So okay, all this while I've not even the power supply, the power button is off. So let me on it now. Now that it is on, within 10 seconds, as you can see, is already indicating power, that there is power. Like I've powered it now, is indicating that it's on. So within 1 minute now, all these signals, they will start showing. This point here is Wi-Fi, this one here is phone, this one is signal, and this one is strength. So let's quickly go through the manual's instructions so that you can know the function of each of these lights. So it's always good to read your leaflet. Okay, it will help you a lot to know how to use this Wi-Fi effectively. So as you can see, this place is indicating red. This is it has turned to green. This is 3, it is now blue. I don't know if people are catching it. Then this phone light is also indicating now. So if I should connect this phone now to this Wi-Fi, this place will start indicating blue light. So when the power is blue, it means that the power is on and the external power supply is working normal. So this power supply, this power button is supposed to be blue, okay, according to this manual. Then if it is off, power is off, or external power supply is working abnormally. So it's not supposed to be off unless we off it from behind. Let's do an experiment. If I off it now, as you can see, everything is off. If I should on it back, it's indicating blue light again. Yes, it's indicating blue light. So once this power button backward is on, this light is supposed to be on. That is for the power button. Then the next one is this Wi-Fi. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is off because it's not connected. I did not connect any phone to this Wi-Fi or any system. So if the blue light of this Wi-Fi is on, it means that the Wi-Fi is working normally with no data transmission, that is not connected. Once it is on, once it is blue, it means that it is working well. But when the blue light of this Wi-Fi is blinking, what it means is that you have connected your phone or your Wi-Fi to this device. Then if it is off, Wi-Fi works abnormally or the Wi-Fi function is disabled. So if it is off like this, it simply means that the Wi-Fi function is disabled. So that is for the Wi-Fi. Then we also have the 3G/4G, which is this symbol here. This 3G/4G, the device is turned on but not registered. That is when it is red. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is on now. Everything is now indicating light, which means that there is it's working normally, but there is no data transmission, meaning that I did not connect my phone to this Wi-Fi. I did not connect any system to it. So this 3G now, when it is red, it means that the device is turned on but not registered to the mobile network. If you can remember, when I on this, it was red. Let me off it and on it again. It's off, now it is on. I off and on this again. So watch this place now, it will be red. After that, it returns to blue. Okay, so when it is red, when this 3G/4G is red, what it means is that the device is turned on but not registered to mobile network. Another thing that can cause the device to be red is when the SIM card, you know, this Wi-Fi, it has SIM card. So when the SIM card is not working, then it will be indicating red light. But when it is blue, when this 3G/4G network is blue and blinking at the same time, it means that the device is being connected to the phone, or you can see now it's red. Yes, now it is blue. It is now indicating. Yes, so that is what I wanted to let you guys see, and I have achieved that. As you can see, the signal too, we have 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 bars and 5 of them are on. I wish you can see it. Yes, the last bar is very close to this blue something. So it has 1 2 3 4 5. So the signal is very strong. So now we are done unboxing, connecting, and explaining everything about this Wi-Fi. So what is my review so far using this Wi-Fi? I'm doing this video first week of December and January 2023. So at least I've used this Wi-Fi for at least 1 year. So my honest review is that this Wi-Fi is very good. Okay, the network is very fast. When I say fast, the speed, the way it works so smoothly. I'm really enjoying it. It doesn't have any problem. I have only one limitation about this Wi-Fi. It needs steady power supply. I won't lie to you guys. If you don't have steady power supply, you might not really enjoy this Wi-Fi. Like if you're in rural areas or where NEPA don't bring lights every time, you always have that little challenge about using it. Then another challenge I have with this Wi-Fi is this power adapter. Okay, this blue light is always on, even when you let's disconnect it. As you can see, it's no longer connected, but the blue light is still indicating, and I'm not so okay with this. Although I've called MTN customer care, and they said that is normal, that it is not discharging, that is working okay. Even when I should park this thing in the park, this blue light will still be indicating. So I don't know if there's a way they can do this power adapter in such a way that when you disconnect it like this, it will just go off. Okay, it will make more sense. So that is the limitation too that I have experienced so far using this Wi-Fi